whether it's that you've moved house or a new baby's come along. And obviously there's a response to that from a toddler. I think there's this feeling that, oh my gosh, things have gone off track. We need to change something. We need to mix it up. We need to do something different.
Yeah.
That's absolutely the worst thing that you can do, because if you're doing that and feeling like you've got to make all these changes, what your toddler's going to come back to is familiarity and consistency, what they know. So they might be kind of off with the pixies for a bit whilst all of this is going on, but what they need us to do is to keep everything consistent and everything the same, because it's very reassuring from them. It's the same reason why toddlers want to read the same story over and over again, or have the same story read to them, or want to watch the same TV program, like over and over again. We're like, how many times can you watch this? It's familiar, it's reassuring. So if you keep things familiar and just think, okay, this is kind of happening at the moment, they're going to come back to the fold, they will.
Yeah.
But it's not the time to think, I need to sort of start changing things. So I think just give it time, stay consistent, and things will come back on track.